Welcome to the man cave. Today, early Christmas present from the missus. I was most surprised this morning when a parcel turned up and she gave me a shoebox, and in it was, oh, look at this little baby. That's a GP40 American Santa Fe loco made by EMD, and look at this little rank of American tankers. She's got me as well. There you go, so I've got a nice little rake of tankers and 2 cabooses. So next thing, we'll get these hooked up to the train and then we'll go from there. See you in a minute, guys. So guys, I've done the unboxing. I've unboxed the American train. That is a GP40, I do believe that one is. And it's made by Bachmann. This is Bachmann, Philadelphia. So it's American Bachmann, not Parish Bachmann. And yeah, this is my early Christmas present. And the detail of this is so much better than the Graham Farish or the Farish Bachmann models. I mean, there's my Class 37, which is Farish Bachmann. Yes, it's nice, but it hasn't got the detail work of this. I mean, this is surprisingly good. This is a used train. Not sure how old this one is, but it was sold on eBay. And yeah, the guy said it worked. I've never ran it. I've just hooked it up behind my rake of tankers that my other half kindly got me for Christmas. But she said I can't be mean and not let you have them till Christmas, so she let me undo them today. So yeah, there are my 2 trains. So let's get this one going. I assume it works. I genuinely haven't tried it, so let's have a look. Oh, got directional lighting. Off it goes. Well, straight away I can notice it's so much quieter than the Farish Bachmann. That engine is virtually silent. Yeah, that is virtually silent. I have noticed it needs a lot more power than the Class 37 does to get round the track. I mean, this controller is 3/4 power now. Oh, he's cutting along well. If I did that with a Class 37, he'd be really quite speedy. But this needs a lot more power. Maybe it's just because that's got the cab lighting, the directional lighting, because my 37 hasn't. Let's set the 37 going with her BIS carriages. He's gone. Now where's the other one? Here he comes. I say that's an EMD GP40. The real life loco had a V16 4,000 horsepower diesel compared to the 1,650 horsepower diesel in the 37. But the 37 is 12-wheel drive, where the GP is only 8-wheel drive. But yeah, I'm really happy with that. I know American trains are not going to be everyone's cup of tea in the UK, but personally I think they are very, very pretty. Let's look at 37 as she comes round. There's my little shunter in there, sitting in the sidings. I did get 2 cabooses, but I didn't put them on the back of a tank because I thought, no, we'll leave them for the shunter to pull it out. Yeah. So, there's our new model train. Really quite happy with it. Oh yeah. I like it a lot. very good. Right, hope you guys enjoy this, and I'm gonna go now, and we'll see you on the next video, where I am actually going to do a pull test. I'm going to do a traction test between the 08, the 37 and that GP40. I'm going to load them up with carriages and see which one, see what it takes to develop wheel slip actually. I might not even have enough rolling stock to stall them out, but we shall see. That'll be another video. Right, I'm off, and it's goodbye from me and goodbye from the trains. Bye bye for now.